How to add editor to Twitch channel. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can add editor to your Twitch channel. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log in into your Twitch account, just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. Amongst the options displayed, select creator dashboard, which is located under video producer and above privacy center. So by clicking on creator dashboard, you'll be brought to your creator dashboards page. All right, and once you're in this page, just go ahead to click on the three lines by the top left corner of the screen, where you can see the tools that you can use to customize your channel. So you can see options like home, stream manager, alert, analytics, community. So click on community and select roles manager. Then select the option add a new role. On this page, the next step would be for you to type out the name of the person, the username of the person that you would like to add as an editor. So just ensure you type out keywords of the person's name, and then once you found the person, select the user and then add a role. All right, you want the person to be a moderator, an artist, or an editor. So select editor, and then once you're done, to the right side of the screen, click save, and then just like that, the person would be added as an editor to your channel. So you must know that editors have more control over your channel, allowing them to manage certain aspects of your account, such as editing streams and managing chat. And then once you click on save, they'll receive a notification that they have been added as an editor on your channel, and they can start their work. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to add those editors now.